very meaningful din sa akin ang Waterfront kasi I remember this is where I also had my very first show in Cebu, yung mga years ago. So maraming salamat po. And please feel free to sing along in this timeless, I can't get him out of my dreams. Maybe you'll soon forget about all. Maybe you'll
Lalo sa itong last na nakakanta ko, di ba? But, kahit nagtiguan naman sa gamay, nakalimot na ako. But I do know that I've been here many times, and every time I feel welcome dito sa Cebu. So thank you so much. And it all started when this song was released. More than 20 years ago na siya. So gusto na akong magpasalamat na handog ka ron from being a band member.
I was never really like this before. Need I say more? Or maybe I'm confused when you are near. I don't know what to do or I should be.